This is how you can make a Play-Doh rose. Take a little bit of Play-Doh and then roll it into kind of a cone shape. You don't want it to be too thin on either of the ends, but you definitely want it to be thicker on one end than on the other. Next, you're going to get some Play-Doh and roll it into a nice smooth ball. And then you're going to want to squish this out into a nice flat circle. This is going to be your petal, so just try and make it as even and uniform and smooth as you possibly can. And you do want it to be as thin as you can get it without breaking it. Once you've got your petal, you wrap it around your base. Then you'll just want to take more petals and overlap them so they're not all lined up in exactly the same spot. Just kind of work your way around. We're also going to spend some time pulling them out, shaping them. And just keep adding petals until your rose gets as big as you want it to get. These are a fun thing to wow your kids when you're playing with Play-Doh, and then they can also be dried. They do crack a little bit, but overall they don't look too bad dried. Let me know in the comments below if you end up making one of these yourself, and let me know if you decide to try and dry it and how that goes. And there you have it, a Play-Doh rose. Thank you.